Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover CSS color property. We will see how we could use RGB color code, color name, hexadecimal color code, etc. In Sublime Text Editor, first we will create a new HTML file. We will click on File, New File. To save the file, we will click on File, Save. File name learning CSS color.html. In the HTML file, we will type less than symbol than HTML, and on suggestion display, we will press Enter key in the keyboard. This will generate the boilerplate code of an HTML file. Title learning CSS colors. In the HTML file, we have created 3 div elements, and in the head section, we have created a style tag, and inside the style tag, we have created a class selector. In the selector, we are using CSS property color, and in the value we are using color name red, and we are using the selector in the first div element class attribute. To open the file in the browser, we will go to the location where we have saved the HTML file. We will right click in the HTML file, then open with Google Chrome. You could select any other browser also. We could see the color applying to the first div element. We have created another class selector, and there we are using CSS property color, and in the value we are using hexadecimal color code for black, and we are using the selector in the second div element class attribute. If we want to use hexadecimal color code for red, we could Google it. As we could see the hexadecimal color code for red, we could copy and paste it in the selector. On refreshing the page, we could see the color applying to the second div. We have created another class selector, and there we are using CSS property color, and in the value we will be using RGB color code for red. To know the RGB color code for red, we could Google it, and we could see the RGB color code for red. To use RGB color code, first we need to write RGB and then opening and closing bracket, and inside it we need to write RGB color code. We are using the selector in the third div element class attribute. On refreshing the page, we could see the color applying to the third div element. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.